with this race all at the gates. Gate flies, and they're racing for King Faisal bin Abdulaziz Cup Group 1, gathering the 4 years old and up fillies and horses, local breds on the lead at the early stages. Here comes out the outside with the white silks, as we see from the far side, running the grey horse for the white stable, leading the field, and chased by in second place, as we see from the outside. Here comes on the second place number 7, Abu Khayal, is just on the inside, trying to play a tactical way, a tactical performance for his companion behind him right now. And from the far outside, here comes up the outside with the yellow silks. Al-Wa'id by Blame is just running in second place, just chased by out the outside. Memlook by Northern Athlete is just back there as they cast the 800 distance meter mark, and the second corner has been passed by 22 and 2/5 seconds. They are exhilarating. Here comes from the outside Al Madhour, now moving in front, and next to him Al Faisal as they come down around the last turn. On the inside, Abu Khayal for the red stable, and between them is Al Madhour trying to show off his potentials as he's moving towards the lead as they hit the 8 of the pole. Al Madhour now moving towards the lead as they come down to the 8 of the pole, and it's Al Madhour now thundering in front. Sha'am is trying hard. Al Faisal up the outside looking, he's now fading away, and Sha'am on the inside trying hard to bid on the lead. I don't think so, just a little bit of door for Al Madhour as he hit the odd line, making everything he had in this race, and he win it well. Congratulations for His Royal Highness Prince Mohammed bin Faisal bin Mohammed bin